Mastering questions for directions in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to learn about asking for directions in English. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the different question structures you can use when you're trying to find your way around a new place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently ask, "How can I get to? Where is? And what's the best way to?" Let's dive right in. When you're lost or unsure about where to go, one useful question structure is, "How can I get to?" You can use this phrase followed by the place you're trying to reach. For example, 1. How can I get to the library? 2. How can I get to the nearest subway station? Remember, it's common and polite to start your question with, "Excuse me." So, you can say, "Excuse me, how can I get to the library?" The next structure we'll look at is, "Where is?" This question structure is great for asking the location of a place directly. Here are a couple of examples. 1. Where is the supermarket? 2. Where is the city center? Again, starting with, "Excuse me," is a nice way to grab someone's attention before asking your question. So, you might ask, "Excuse me, where is the city center?" Our final question structure for today is, "What's the best way to?" Use this when you want suggestions for the best route to a certain place. Some examples are, 1. What's the best way to the museum? 2. What's the best way to Central Park? As before, "Excuse me" is a polite precursor to your question. "Excuse me, what's the best way to the museum?" And that's it for today. You've learned 3 important question structures for asking directions in English. How can I get to? Where is? And what's the best way to? Remember to always start with, "Excuse me," as a sign of politeness. We hope this video will help you navigate new places with ease using these phrases. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Until next time, happy learning!